Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
GoWISE USA GW44800-O Deluxe 12.7-Quarts 15-in-1 electric air fryer oven with rotisserie and dehydrator plus 50 recipes, black. Family-sized and space-saver, 12.7 quarts of cooking space makes this air fryer one of the largest on the market, while still being compact enough to fit easily on your countertop. 3 rack levels allow you to prepare family-sized quantities or control how fast and how crispy your food cooks. Built-in rotisserie, prepare whole roasts, tenderloins, racks of Kababs, and even a whole chicken. Get crispy, tender meats, perfectly blackened fish, and expertly roasted vegetables with the GoWISE air fryer oven's built-in rotisserie. It's fast, easy, and you'll love it. Includes 10 accessories. Comes with 10 accessories. Everything you'll need to make a homemade meal with ease. Accessories include a rotisserie tong, rotisserie rod, oven rack, drip pan, skewer rotisserie cage, rotisserie stay cage, shallow mesh basket, and 2 mesh trays. Easy to use, easy to read, simple to use control display with 15 presets takes the guesswork out of cooking times and temperatures. Cook for convenience or to impress without ever having to turn on the range. And when you're done, the stainless steel interior and removable, non-stick drip pan makes for easy cleanup. 50 recipes to get you started. Your purchase includes a recipe book specifically made for the GoWISE USA air fryer oven. Get started today with 50 step-by-step recipes to explore all that your new kitchen gadget has to offer. Get more tips, tricks and recipes through our influencers on social media and our GoWISE community. 1 year includes is a 1-year purchase and free lifetime support from GoWISE USA. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.